starting up a vlog in the car. We're currently in Los Angeles. I wasn't able to start off a vlog from home as I planned originally, but we're in a hurry and a few things went wrong, such as forgot a wallet at gas station and we had to drive back. But we're finally here, trying to check into our hotel. So this is day 2 of our LA trip. Today's my birthday. So in the morning what we did was we had to wake up super early and go to the airport, and we did a helicopter ride, which I've never been on a helicopter. I always wanted to go, but I'm a little chicken. I'm always scared. If I don't fly for a long time, I get anxiety, and that's how it was this morning. But once we got in the helicopter, got up in the air, everything changed. It was just so beautiful. It was the best experience ever, and I'm so thankful that my boyfriend scheduled that for us. Afterwards, we went to Malibu and we walked around just a little bit and went out to eat to a very nice restaurant, which I can't remember what it's called right now, but I'm gonna list it below. So if you wanted to check it out, it's really good. The view is amazing. You're sitting by the water, you can hear the waves, just wonderful. And we came back to the hotel, took a little nap, and now we're going to the beach again, to a different one this time. I'm not sure where though. And then we're going out to eat. Alright guys, so let me explain what happened last night. Before we left, I told you that we're just gonna go to the beach and then go out to dinner. And then we came to this really beautiful park, and my boyfriend said, okay, we're gonna go on a little walk. I was like, okay. It's kind of windy, kind of cold, but he's like, no, let's go. And I was wearing a dress. I'm like, you should tell me next time. I would not wear a dress. But he's like, no, we're going out to dinner later, so you should wear a dress. And at some point, I still had my mask on, so he just kind of jokingly pulled it over my eyes, and he's like, oh, don't take it off. So I was like, okay, and followed him. I had a feeling that he was gonna propose, but I wasn't 100% sure. And when we came to the place, he was like, okay, open your eyes. And then I opened my eyes, and he's standing there on one knee asking me to marry him. And yeah, his sisters came there before us. They set everything up. It was so beautiful. I posted a lot of pictures on Instagram, and yeah, that was I did not expect it to happen yesterday. I had a feeling that it was coming. We even discussed it before, but it was just the most romantic thing. I'm still speechless. So yeah, we got engaged, and then we were supposed to go out to dinner, but by the time everything was done, it was kind of late. So we tried to go to the restaurant at the hotel, but they were already closed. So we just ordered takeout and spent our evening watching movies. So that was fun. And today is Saturday. We're leaving tomorrow, but today I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We had some plans, but we started getting issues with the car and had to take it to mechanic shop this morning. So we'll see how it drives, and we'll see what we're gonna do. So keep on watching, and you'll see where we're gonna go.